Pentair Technical Products and Schroff offer highly efficient solutions for their customers. Today I'd like to welcome Mark and RJ to talk about Pentair and Schroff's longevity in the marketplace.
Thanks, Derek.
Great, Derek. Glad to be here.
So Mark, what are Schroff's strategies to stay ahead of the trends that are affecting smart infrastructure?
Actually, we work hard to make sure we stay in front of market trends by conducting good, solid market research, and then also really looking at the needs of our customers and listening to our customers and really identifying what those requirements are and bringing them into the organization and then feeding that over through to product management and engineering.
We'll take those particular requirements and we'll map those against our product roadmap, and we'll look for any gaps, and we'll just determine what needs to be done, and if there's any R&D that needs to be put into that to help take our standard-based product portfolio and the roadmap we have and help tailor that to that particular market.
So what are the trends that you're seeing in the smart infrastructure market?
Well, really it comes down to high-speed computing and really IP-centric networking. There's thousands of smart devices out there at the edge of the network. That data needs to find its way into the central part of the network. And then there's also environmental challenges out there that take place that we really have to stay on top of as it relates to making those products work in the market.
Yeah, so the IP portion of that actually plays very well into the standards-based organization. We're really well ahead of the curve in regards to offering products and solutions that are standards-based, that are meeting those IP-centric type systems and solutions. Where we look at the environmental concerns, that's where we'll take some of our technologies that we have across all of our product portfolios and our engineering expertise, and we'll look at how we can harden some of those and have those available specifically to go into those into the infrastructure type market.
So it seems like environmental designs provide a key engineering challenge. So what are some of the other challenges associated with designing for smart infrastructure?
Well, you're correct. Environmentals is certainly a critical factor to think about. Other factors is speed to market. And then you also have to think about electronics are getting smaller, processing speeds are getting denser, and it's really about designing a current state product that's going to be around to last for future state requirements. And in doing that, that's why standards-based products lend itself so nicely to that, because there's a full ecosystem of vendors out there that Schroff works with and allows to shepherd those products that are designed today into tomorrow's requirements.
It's very interesting. Now, can you provide us with some examples?
Sure, yeah. One of the challenges that we're always faced with helping to resolve is the power and cooling. So if we look at all the data coming in, there's a lot of processing that's occurring on smaller devices, and that's the byproduct of that is heat. And so our job is really to help the customer figure out creative ways within standards and the product portfolios that we have to mitigate that heat back out into the environment. We do that with across all of our products there at some level provide the capability to help solve that problem.
And one thing I'll add to that is that our product portfolio covers from anything from a simple mechanical component like a card guide through to a front panel, a sub rack, a back plane, all the way through to a fully integrated enclosure with cooling and environmental management. And it's really critical that design engineers think about that, is the whole full electronic packaging solution.
Now Mark, how does Schroff help its customers mitigate these challenges on a global scale?
Well, as a global standards leader, we work with the full ecosystem on a global scale in all geographic regions, and we really are where our customers want to be. We have the manufacturing and engineering capabilities in every geographic location that's required by our customers to deploy a product and do so effectively.
Yeah, the global aspect is really probably the biggest distinguishing point in working with us as a partner. We'll provide, as we design products, we're not necessarily designing for a particular region, but we know that we've got to deliver these products globally. And so we're well versed in country codes, country requirements, things like that, part traceability, various safety standards, EMI compliance, based globally, not just in a particular region. So as customers are looking for that particular type of partner, they can come to us and be assured that we have all those things covered, including documentation, certifications, and really already proven product to go in those particular areas.
Thanks, Mark. Thanks, RJ.
Thanks, Derek.
Thanks for having us, Derek.
Be sure and catch the next exciting series from Schroff. This is Derek Seckinger with Frost & Sullivan, signing off.